Hey guys, TheDiamondSword here, and today I'm back here with another cooking video. So this time I'm going to be making a souffle omelet. Now this time it's going to be different than my pizza omelet I made this time. It's going to be a souffle omelet, which means I'm going to be showing the different steps because this will be a longer video than what I had last time. So let's get into the video. So what do you guys are going to first need? You guys are going to need some eggs. So let's get out the eggs. Okay, so let's get up. I need some eggs. You guys need 2 bowls. Is also going to need to show you guys an electric mixer. That's gonna be for the first. That's gonna be for the next step. Now, as what I'm gonna do, you guys are gonna get 2 bowls and separate them out evenly from each other. Now, I'm just gonna move the camera back just a little bit so that you guys can see. Here, so you guys are gonna take some large grade A eggs. Mine are grade AA eggs, but you know, just be safe, just be fine. What you guys want to do? You guys want to separate the okay, so what do you guys want to do? You guys want to separate the yolks from the egg whites, which that was a terrible one. You guys want to do 3 eggs. Paper towel here. This side. Wipe off my eggs. Off my hands from the eggs. I really hope that I didn't get much egg yolk inside there. Now, next egg. From the egg white, and then hurry up and transfer it. Next one. I'm surprised it's the second one. It has to be on there again. Alright, another paper towel. Third egg. Yes, come on. It's going great so far.
Hey, how do you turn the Wi-Fi
on? What do you mean, how do you turn the Wi-Fi on?
On your computer.
Well,
the Wi-Fi's not on.
Well, Emerald Sword, since you knew... Oh, hey, the Wi-Fi isn't on. Sorry guys, the Emerald Sword too. She's doing some schoolwork.
Hey, the Wi-Fi isn't on.
I'm making a YouTube video.
TheDiamondSword.
Guess what? I'm making
But it's not.
Turn it on.
But it's not.
Then turn it on.
But it's not on.
Then you should turn it on. How do you not know how to work a computer?
No. Oh wait, I did it. Okay. I'm so stupid.
Yeah, you are. Okay, sorry guys for the inconvenience. We lost a bit.
Thanks. Okay, I'm going back to watching.
Then just stop using my computer. So you guys for the inconvenience, it took about 2 minutes, but now I have the egg whites and the egg yolks separated from each other. Now, they're not perfect, but we are going to have to mix. Now, I'm gonna start. You guys are gonna start mixing up the egg whites a little bit. And you guys are gonna start mixing up the egg yolks, separated from the egg whites. So, then what you guys want to do, you guys want to make sure that the egg yolks are mixed up. You guys want to transfer, I'm going to take you guys over here. You guys want to take the egg whites, you guys want to transfer them over to a large mixing bowl. Or if you guys have like a hand mixer, that'd be easier, because I would not recommend doing this by hand. It would take forever. But I have a mixer. So what do you guys want to do? You guys want to then take it, put it in there, and then you guys what do you want to do? Put it in there, so you just stir, lock it, and turn it up to about the 6. Now, while that is mixing, it's gonna be a lot of noise. Sorry guys, but it is getting to mix. So while it is mixing, we're gonna start working on the egg yolks. Now, guys, want to do is you guys want to make sure that they're nice and mixed. You guys want to mix it for about a minute and a half. So. I'm gonna go check up on those egg whites. Okay. Now, what you guys want to do is just make sure that your egg whites are nice. And basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a meringue. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some sugar. Grab my sugar. Move you guys over here again. What you guys want to do is you guys want to open up your sugar. We're gonna take just a pinch. Tiny pinch. We're going to sprinkle it in there. Okay? That's the whole thing. Then, put the sugar back. And now back over here. I'm going to go check out the egg whites again. Almost there. You guys want to keep mixing for another 30 seconds. Now, start working on these eggs. Grab our salt. Pepper. There we go. Salt our eggs. Me, put salt and pepper guy. You guys don't have to add salt and pepper to your eggs before mixing, but I like to. Gives it a nice flavor profile. Let's go check up on those egg whites. You guys see how? So as you guys can see, the egg whites are almost done. So, you guys want to turn off your mixing bowl and lock it. You guys want to see how it's a nice fluffy texture. That is what you want from your egg whites. That's how you know that it's perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set you guys back over here, and we're going to grab out. Oh no, we're going to set you guys back over here anyway. We're also going to grab our egg yolks. So, what you guys want to do? You guys want to mix up the egg yolks and the egg whites. You guys want to add them. And then you guys want to start. I'm using a KitchenAid mixer. So what you guys want to do is you guys want to set your mixer or your hand mixer and just hand mix them. For me, I'm going to put it on 4. I'm going to lock it. I'm going to set it there. Now, let's start greasing up the pan. You guys like? Then what you guys want to do is you guys want to take your skillet. I'm not using a non-stick skillet. Just shut up on those egg yolks. Keep mixing. I'm going to turn it down from 4 to 2. You might have slowed down a little bit. And then you guys want to do is you guys want to take your butter. You guys want to use butter for this. Because the butter has a nice texture to it. I'm using imperial butter. What you guys want to do is want to open it up. Chip on those eggs. Let's set down to stir, the lowest possible income. Now, take your knife. You guys want to cut the butter about there. See? Take your butter, put it in the pan. So right there in the middle. What you guys want to do is you're going to set your stove. I'm using a gas stove. I'm going to set mine over here to 3. And I'm going to start moving my butter around. What you guys want to do is you guys want to coat the edges with the butter. That way, nice, even coating of butter. That way your eggs taste like butter. You guys don't want your eggs tasting like butter. You guys just don't want to go through the hassle of cooking the butter. You guys can always just use a cooking spray, a non-stick cooking spray. But I have that as well, but I'm just using this. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and check up on those. Let's go ahead and check up on those. Let's thing heat up, and let's let the butter sit up in the middle of the pan. So let's check on these egg yolks. Those are done. Now put our knife over here down to the side. That's fine. Okay, make sure it's there. Okay. I'll show you guys what the egg yolks should. Did this over here. Okay. So this is what your egg yolk should look like. Now, let's see how the butter is getting heated up. So what you guys want to do is you guys want to start pouring in your egg yolks. Nice cylindrical pattern. Okay. Now, since those are done, all the egg yolks are gone, set that down here. Let's just set over 3 dishes inside the mixing bowl for now. And let's go ahead and get some paper towel and let's wipe this off. Now, what you guys want to do is that since this thing is cooking now, what you guys want to do is pour in the butter. Now, this is a very important step. If you guys don't do this, you guys will lose your eggs. Here's a spatula. I'm going to take a caking spatula, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind it over the edges. Okay, now that's that done. So wipe it off with my towel. Okay, grab me a plate. It's going to keep all the air inside of that pan. Okay. I'm using a square pan because I don't have any cylindrical pans. I don't have any cylindrical plates. So what you guys are going to do is you guys want to let that sit there. And I'll be back in about... Okay, so now it's been 2.5 minutes. So you guys are going to take off the plate. Then you guys should... Then the souffle omelet should sort of look like this. You guys want to do... You guys want to start... Oh, no. It's not cooked yet. Wait, nope. Here it is. It's just light. So... Take it and you guys want to floof it over. Oh, wait. Nope. Too sorry. It's too soon. It's too soon. Cook Robert is not really good at this. I've only done this and it was once, and it was like 1 o'clock in the morning last night. I'm gonna let that thing cook back up. I'm gonna turn up the heat to about 5. I'm gonna reset the plate up. Okay. Hurt. Okay, that hurt. That burned a lot. Okay. I'm gonna let this sit there for another minute. Okay, so it's been about 45 seconds, and now the omelet should have Oof, look at that, guys. Look at that. You guys see all that fluff right there? Yeah, that's from beating the eggs and the egg yolk and the egg whites. Not what I wanted. Not what I wanted. Come on, stop messing with me. Nope. Get back on the thing. Get off there. Come on. Don't do this to me. Come on. Okay, let's just set this right here, and then let's flip it over. There we go. Okay. That's a hassle. Okay, so now scrape all that off of there. Scrape that off of there. I know this is probably a big fire hazard, but I'm a professional chef. What do I say here? Okay, so then what you guys want to do is that after it looks nice and golden brown, on this side I'm going to transfer this down over here to this pot, to the plate that we were using. That's fine. Let me just grab all the reminiscent pieces up here as much as I possibly can. Get you off there. Get you off of there. Okay. Turn up the heat. Put the pan over here to the other side. Tea can right here. Put this to the sink, and then we move on to toppings. Now, for me, I'd like to go with a nice cheesy omelet. The first one I'm going to do is I'm going to salt it. Do with some pepper. Cheese. Now, you guys probably have seen my last video where I cheesed my omelet. Now, I do like to cheese my omelet with cheese. Cheese is a really, really delicious thing. I'm using the same Italian style cheese I used last time, except this is a new bag. Same bag. You guys want to do? You guys want to sprinkle your cheese, and then let's get ourselves some different cheese. Some winter cheese. Ooh, got ourselves some sharp cheddar. Cheddar cheese over here. So the sharp cheddar. These are thick pieces, so that's right there on top of there, and then let's put those in the bag. Okay, now, I can then finally top mine off with a nice drizzle of ketchup. Now, and that is a souffle omelet, my way. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey of cooking for the twice time. May not make another video next week, may not make a video in the week after. I don't know, my video scheduling is pretty tight. So, I just want to say that I am the Diamond Sword. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe.